Vielen Dank, Herr Vorsitzender. Dear Commissioner Reding, dear colleagues, this Wednesday, September 11, is the National Day of Catalonia. This Wednesday, there will be in Catalonia a huge and pacific demonstrations, what we call the Catalan Way. More than 1 million people will hold their hands in a 400 kilometers human chain, asking for independence and for the creation of a new European state, Catalonia. It will be the biggest demonstration in Europe in decades, a human chain inspired by the Baltic Way 20 years ago. We Catalans want to decide our own future. Our dream is to be able to vote peacefully and democratically to decide our own future. Catalans want and hope to do the same as the Scottish, which will vote in an independence referendum, thanks to the democratic spirit of the British government. Let Catalans vote. Moltes gràcies.
Danke. Unser nächster Redner ist Herr Irazabal Bethea.
Señor presidente, comisaria Reding, pasado mañana, miércoles, Día Nacional de Cataluña,